Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal. Let's discuss a question on communicating control deficiencies. The auditor should communicate internal control deficiencies to management and those charged with governance within how much time? So you have to communicate significant deficiencies and material weaknesses to management and those charged with governance. This communication should be in writing. Now, this communication should be made within how many days? Within how much time? So this communication should be made within 60 days after the report release date. So this communication should be within 60 days of the report release date. So you are the auditor and you are auditing the financial statements and you have 60 days time after the report release date to make this communication to management and those charged with governance. What is this report release date? It is not the date when you sign the auditor's report. It is the date when the report is made available to management for use. It is the date when organization can use this report, auditor's report release date. This is not the auditor's report date. It is report release date. The date when you authorize the entity to use this report, the date you authorize management to use this report. And this communication should go from you to management and those charged with governance within 60 days after the report release date. It is not the balance sheet date. And also the time period is not 90 days or 45 days or 30 days. The time period is 60 days after the report release date. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.